Come on. Come on. Moving them to another pasture. Time to worm them and get some weight on them. Texas cooling off. Roping pin's grown up a little bit. Getting the gates ready so we can bring these cows up and worm them. That's Weeby. Hello, Weeby. She got a little sore on her shoulder. Hey, Livia. How are you? What you got to say? Is it hot?
Are the cows?
All right, let's push these cows on up so we can get them wormed. Watch them, Tex. Get them. Watch them, Tex. Hey, cows. Hey, cows. Hey, cows. I need to get the medicine out of there. These are some old breakaway calves we kept and fed. Some of them are in pretty good shape, some of them not so much, but we're gonna, it's gonna be the first one we're gonna butcher, make us some ground meat out of. We'll see what happens to the rest of them. One more to get. All right, we finished up with them. We're gonna put them out on some fresh pasture. And come here, Tex. Here, Tex. Here, Tex. Here, Tex. Here, Tex. Here. He listens really good. Come here, Tex. Tex likes to catch their head. He won't catch their hocks. That's what I want him to do. Push him, Tex. Push him. Hey, here. Push him. And then when he gets on them, he don't want to come off. That Tex, here. Good boy. Watch him, watch him, watch him, watch him. Catch him. Catch him. Yeah, I know we got a lot of junk around here. One more wave. Hello. Hey, there we go. Hey, Olivia.
He's driving. Woohoo!
Watch your road. Right, Olivia.